DB Services, and today we're going to be talking about FileMaker Server 19.5's new parallel backups feature, where to find it, and how to turn it on and off. The first way that we can do this is via the FileMaker Server admin console. So once we've signed into it from our main dashboard, we're going to go ahead and go to the Backups tab, and down to our Backup Settings menu. And the first thing we'll see is that there's a new feature for parallel backup, and this feature is disabled by default. We can toggle this on and off via the simple switch right here. Once to turn it on, another time to turn it off, and that's where the first method ends. Our second method to turn the FileMaker's parallel backups feature on and off is a little more involved and uses the command line. So we're going to go in, and the first thing you need to do is SSH into the FileMaker server. And once we're there, we have three commands that we can use. The first is to view the current status of our parallel backups with fmsadmin get server prefs parallel backup enabled. So we're going to hit enter, and we'll be prompted for our admin credentials. So we're going to throw in that username and password. Then it will display to us the current status of our parallel backups. In this case, it shows that parallel backup enabled equals false, so we have that disabled. Our next command is to turn our parallel backups on, and that is done with fmsadmin set server prefs parallel backup enabled equals true. We hit enter, and we are once again prompted for our admin credentials. Put those in, and we are returned parallel backup enabled equals true, which means that we have our parallel backup turned on now. If we go back and view our admin console, we'll see that the parallel backup is now enabled. And our final method is the same as our steps to enable the parallel backup. And the only difference is that instead of setting parallel backup enabled to true, we are setting it to false. So we're going to hit enter, and one last time we are going to enter in those admin credentials, and it will return us that our parallel backup enabled equals false, and viewing the admin console, we'll see that they are once again disabled. Those are the easiest ways to view and toggle on and off our parallel backup feature. And if you guys have any questions concerning this or any of FileMaker 19.5's new features, feel free to reach out to us at DB Services. This has been Dylan. Thank you for listening.